Lillian Cabinets, your one-stop shop for all things cabinetry. Our Madison Chocolate Cabinet series are crafted from grade A birch wood. Full overlay raised panel and 5-piece door and drawer heads give great detail on the profile and craftsmanship. The cabinet is then topped with a 12-step rich hand-applied chocolate stain and chocolate glaze. Cabinet boxes are half-inch plywood box construction with finished sides. Drawer boxes are dovetailed with 5/8-inch solid wood construction and half-inch plywood bottoms. The Madison Chocolate is equipped with side-mount epoxy drawer glides and uses 6-way adjustable door hinges. The Madison Chocolate also uses a fully adjustable shelf. Lillian Cabinets uses metal clip assembly for the cabinet box. This user-friendly process allows for an easy assembly and requires no special tools. Lillian Cabinets, the unique, affordable, and high-quality cabinets you've been searching for.